Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be cooking roast beef in the air fryer. Let's go. So here we are, we've got our joint of beef. It's almost 1.8 kilograms and we're going to be cooking this in the air fryer. It's a lean beef roasting joint. There we go. I was going to be doing it in the Ninja Flex drawer, but I'll be cooking a different meal in that tonight. So I'm going to have to use a different air fryer, which we'll see in a moment. Here we go. Here it is. I'm going to turn it on. And what we're going to do is put this onto air fry mode, 240 degrees, and we're going to get that preheated. There we go. It's telling me to add the food. So we're going to put the joint into the air fryer and we're going to cook this for 5 minutes. And this is just to sear the joint, lock in all the flavors and all the juices. And what we'll do is after the searing 5 minutes we will cook it properly. But there we go, the countdown starts and I will see you guys in 5 minutes. Here we go, coming up to 5 minutes. Let's open up the lid here and let's see how it's doing. It's got a bit of colour to it. So the rule of thumb is per 450 grams, rare 15 minutes, medium 20 minutes, and well done 25 minutes. So this is 1.8 kilograms. And what we're going to have to do is do 2 lots of 40 minutes at 180 degrees because it's 1.8 kilograms. So there we go, 40-minute timer starts, and after 40 minutes we'll turn it over and do the same again. Coming down to the first 40 minutes of cooking. The smell is amazing in the kitchen, and look at that. The meat is lovely and seared. It's got a great colour to it. We're going to turn it over. It's quite hard to manoeuvre, but we're going to turn him over and we're going to cook the other side for another 40 minutes. There we go. So I'm doing it medium, so 20 minutes per 450, so it's 2, 4, 6, 80 minutes, 2 lots of 40. There we go, the timer will start again for 40 minutes. And here we go guys. The end of the cooking cycle, 2 lots of 40 minutes both sides, and look how good that looks. I can't wait to get this off, get it cut up and show you guys how well it's cooked inside. I'll just move him out the way. And there we go. I've put it on a plate with some tin foil. We're going to wrap it up quite tightly. We're going to lock in all that heat, all the juices. Probably going to leave it for about 20 minutes before we open it up and start carving. But yeah, we'll just leave that for 20 minutes and I'll see you guys in a moment. Here we go. Let's get this open and see what's inside. Look at that. All the juices have come out. Still got the string on. We'll have to get rid of that in a moment. Looks amazing. Here we go. Let's get that string off. It's quite tough because it's all charred. There we go. Off you get. And let's get this thing carved up. I've got my Ninja knives. I've just sharpened it, so hopefully it goes through this like butter, which it does. There we go. I'm not the greatest carver in the world, but you can see this lovely crisp outer coating. And look at that. Perfectly cooked inside. That's medium. And then in the middle, it's a little bit pinker, as you'd expect. But look, absolutely amazing. This is a meal for my daughter tonight. If you like the video, guys, please hit the like button. Leave any comments down below and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more future content. It's absolutely free to do and it really helps my channel out, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks guys, bye for now.